There are two ways you can add filters in Photoshop. The first one is to simply go to Filter and choose anything starting from Filter Gallery, Liquify, Blur, Stylize, and so on. As an example, let's add a Liquify and make some adjustments real quick by grabbing the Twirl tool. This is actually really fun to use. I press OK, and now let's add another effect from the Filter Gallery, this time choosing Sprayed Strokes, which also adds this interesting effect to the image. Now look, I already added two filters, but they were both applied on the background image. And here comes the problem. What if I want to modify the Liquify effect or the Sprayed Strokes effect? Well, I can't, and this means I work in a very destructive way. I can just hit undo and reapply the filters. Not so fun. The second way you can add filters in Photoshop is by converting them into smart filters. They are filters with bigger brains. Just kidding. They don't have a brain, but still, they are smart. To create a smart filter, you need to right-click the layer and convert it into a smart object. You will see this tiny little sweet square icon, which indicates that this layer is a smart object, and any filter that I will apply will be added as a smart filter. So let's go to Filter, Liquify, make the same twirl on the Eiffel Tower, press OK, and voila! The filter just became smart. Why? Because I can double-click here and re-enter the settings so that I can modify the image again if I want. And I can do this over and over again. There's also this icon right here which adds more options. Let me add again the Sprayed Strokes filter. It will be added as a smart filter as well. And if I double-click this icon, I have the option to lower the opacity of this effect or to change its blending mode to, let's say, hard light, for example. And the best part is that smart filters come with their own layer mask, so I can hide or unhide areas of the applied filters, and I can work non-destructively if the main layer is converted into a smart object. Now check out this video if you want to learn more about smart objects. I'm Chris, catch you in the next one.